Welcome to Solid Solution Products. Today we will cover mixing instructions for the Easy Pour Non-Crack, Non-Yellowing Polyurea Joint Sealant. Mixing instructions are applicable for both half-gallon and quart kits. You will also need a drill, a blade, and some rags. The half-gallon kit will require the use of the half-gallon dispensing gun. Aero mixers are required for both half-gallon and quart kits. Very important to condition the product to at least 70 degrees prior to mixing. Plan ahead if you are in colder climates. Mix for at least 2.5 minutes at slow to medium speeds to avoid trapping air bubbles. Here we have side by side, the half-gallon and the quart kit. Today we will be mixing the quart size. Each kit comes with pre-measured components and a selection of pigment. The A side is filled in the larger container. B side and pigments are in easy-to-pour pouches. Here's the aero mixer attached to the drill. First, place the pigment into the quart container. Then place B component. Mix for 2.5 minutes. And after 2.5 minutes, be sure to securely remove the aero mixer. Make sure to have a rag nearby. Place the dispensing cap and cut at the appropriate width. You are now ready to fill. You have about 10 minutes working time. Once again, very important to condition the product to at least 70 degrees prior to mixing. Plan ahead if you are in colder climates. Mix for at least 2.5 minutes at slow to medium speeds to avoid trapping air. Thank you for joining Easy Pour Mixing Tutorial. Follow us for our other videos on concrete repair and joint filling polymers. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share.